Ever scrolled through a text and felt completely lost by the barrage of tiny faces staring back at you? You know the feeling, that sinking realization you've missed some hilarious inside joke or a poignant message because you have no clue what that eggplant emoji means, that one. Well, fear not, fellow emoji illiterate friends, because today we're diving deep into the wonderful world of emoticons and their zodiac counterparts. We're starting strong, with the twins themselves, Gemini. But before we dissect the perfect emoji for the witty, social butterflies of the zodiac, let's talk about what makes a Gemini a Gemini. Geminis are the social chameleons of the cosmic zoo. They can adapt to any situation, flitting from conversation to conversation with an ease that would make even the smoothest talker jealous. They're the life of the party, the ones cracking jokes and keeping everyone entertained. But beneath that sparkling exterior lies a complex mind, brimming with ideas and a thirst for knowledge. Geminis are information sponges, soaking up details and trivia like a cactus in a desert downpour. This love of learning and communication makes them fantastic writers, speakers, and debaters. They can see all sides of an issue, which can be a blessing and a curse. On the one hand, it allows them to be incredibly empathetic and understanding. On the other hand, it can make them indecisive, agonizing over every option before making a choice. So, with this whirlwind of personalities in mind, which emoji best captures the essence of a Gemini? There are a few contenders vying for the crown. First up, we have the classic twins emoji, Gemini. It's a straightforward choice, a literal representation of the zodiac sign itself. But is it a little too on the nose? Does it truly capture the depth and complexity of a Gemini? Perhaps something a bit more symbolic is needed. Enter the ever so slightly creepy smiling mask emoji. This one works because Geminis are masters of putting on a show. They can adjust their personalities to fit any situation, much like an actor transforming on stage. However, the mask can also represent the duality of Gemini's nature, the public persona and the introspective mind behind it. But maybe we're overthinking things. Maybe Gemini's emoji should be something that reflects their love of communication and knowledge. In that case, how about the chat emoji, or the thinking face emoji? The chat emoji shows their gift of the gab, while the thinking face captures their contemplative side. Hold on a sec, there's one more emoji that deserves a shot, the juggling emoji. Geminis are notorious multitaskers, juggling social engagements, hobbies, and work with impressive dexterity. They can keep a million conversations going at once, all while brainstorming their next big idea. So, which emoji is it? Honestly, there's no definitive answer. The beauty of emojis, like Geminis themselves, is their adaptability. They can be used to represent different things depending on the context. Perhaps the best emoji for a Gemini is the one that resonates most with you, that best captures the specific facet of their personality you connect with. Maybe it's the witty banter represented by the chat emoji, or the endless curiosity embodied by the thinking face. Maybe it's the dazzling performance of the mask, the unwavering support of the twins, or the dizzying juggling act of their daily lives. The choice is yours, my friends. So, what emoji do you think best represents a Gemini? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're there, hit that like button and subscribe for more emoji adventures through the zodiac. We'll be uncovering the perfect emojis for Cancers next time, so don't miss out. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.